Hello, little scientist. Welcome to Science Land. I'm so happy you're here today. We're going on a big adventure. Look, here comes Benny Bunny. Wave hello to Benny. And here is Penny Panda. Penny loves to learn new things. Can you wave to Penny too? There's Coco Parrot flying in. Hello, Coco. And Sparky Robot. Beep, boop, beep. And this is Professor Owl. Professor Owl knows everything about science. Today, we will explore together. We'll learn about rain and rainbows. We'll see how seeds grow big and tall. We'll play with magnets and water, too. Are you ready for some science fun? Clap your hands with me. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Look up at the sky. Do you see that big, smiling sun? The sun warms the water on the ground. The water gets so warm, it floats up, up, up into the sky. That's called evaporation. Can you say it with me? Evaporation. Now the water is high in the sky. It gets cold up there. The tiny water drops come together. They make a big, fluffy cloud. Can you point to the cloud? When the cloud gets too heavy, the water falls back down. That's rain. Can you make a rain sound? Tap your fingers on your lap. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Faster now. The rain is getting heavy. And now, slow down. The rain is stopping. Good job, little scientist. You just learned the water cycle. Sun warms water. Water goes up. Clouds get heavy. Rain falls down. Look at this tiny seed. It's so small in my hand. What does a seed need to grow? Let's find out together. First, we dig a little hole. Then we put the seed in the soil. Pat, pat, pat the dirt on top. Can you pat the dirt with me? Now the seed needs water. Not too much, just a little drink. Pretend to pour water from a watering can. Glug, glug, glug. The seed also needs sunshine. The warm sun helps it grow. Can you stretch your arms like sunbeams? Reach up high. Now we wait. And wait. And wait. Oh, look, a tiny green sprout. It's pushing through the soil. Hello, little plant. Day by day, it grows taller. Leaves open wide. Then one morning, a beautiful flower. Look, a butterfly came to visit. The seed became a flower. All it needed was water, sunshine, and time. What color is the flower? Can you name the color? Let's go to the pond. Benny and Penny are ready for an experiment. We have 5 things to test: an apple, a leaf, a rock, a toy boat, and a rubber duck. Some things float on water. Some things sink to the bottom. Let's guess together. First, the apple. Will it float or sink? What do you think? It floats. The apple stays on top. Did you guess right? Next, the leaf. Float or sink? It floats too. The leaf is so light. Now, the rock. This one is heavy. Float or sink? It sinks. The rock goes to the bottom. Heavy things often sink. How about the toy boat? Float or sink? It floats. Boats are made to float. Last one, the rubber duck. Float or sink? It floats. Quack, quack, quack. You did amazing, little scientist. Heavy things sink. Light things float. That's called buoyancy. Beep, boop, beep. Sparky Robot has something special. It's a giant magnet. A magnet is a magic stone. It pulls some things close, but not everything. Let's test it together. Sparky has 5 objects: a paper clip, a spoon, a coin, a wooden block, and a plastic toy. When Sparky holds the magnet close, will each thing stick or not? You decide. Paperclip, stick or no stick? It sticks. Paper clips have metal inside. Spoon, stick or no stick? It sticks. The spoon is made of metal. Coin, stick or no stick? It sticks. Some coins have metal too. Wooden block, stick or no stick? Nothing. The wood doesn't stick. Wood is not metal. Plastic toy, stick or no stick? Nothing. Plastic doesn't stick either. Magnets only pull metal things. Not wood, not plastic, only metal. Let's play treasure hunt. Find something metal near you. Ready, set, go. Did you find something? Hold it up high. Amazing work, little scientist. Look at our beautiful Earth. It's spinning like a big, slow top. Round and round it goes. When the sun shines on one side, that side has daytime. Can you stretch and yawn like you just woke up? Big stretch. The sun is so bright and warm. Time to play outside. But Earth keeps spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Now our side turns away from the sun. It gets dark. That's nighttime. Can you pretend to sleep? Close your eyes, soft and quiet. Look, the moon is waving hello. Do you see the stars twinkling? Can you twinkle your fingers like stars? Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. And now Earth spins again. The sun comes back. Wake up, little scientist. It's morning. Day and night. Day and night. Earth spins and spins. That's why we have both. The rain has stopped. The sun is peeking out. And look, up in the sky, a beautiful rainbow. Do you see all the colors? Let's name them together. Red, like a juicy apple. Orange, like a yummy orange. Yellow, like the bright sun. Green, like fresh grass. Blue, like the big ocean. Indigo, a deep, dark blue. Violet, like a pretty flower. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Those are the colors of the rainbow. Now let's play the rainbow jumping game. When I say a color, jump like that color. Ready? Red, jump. Yellow, jump. Green, jump. Blue, jump. Violet, jump. Woohoo! You jumped through the whole rainbow. Rainbows happen when sunlight shines through tiny water drops in the sky. The light splits into all the colors. Isn't that magical? Woohoo! It's quiz time! Professor Owl wants to see what you remember. Answer out loud. Question 1. What helps plants grow? Is it water and sunshine or chocolate cake? Water and sunshine. That's right. Question 2. Which object floated in the pond? The rock or the rubber duck? The rubber duck. Quack, quack. You remembered. Question 3. What does a magnet attract? Metal things or wooden things? Metal things. Magnets love metal. Question 4. What comes after the rain? A rainbow or a snowstorm? A rainbow. Beautiful colors in the sky. Question 5. When do the stars appear? Daytime or nighttime? Nighttime, when the sun goes away. You are so smart, little scientist. You did it! You finished your first science adventure. Let's remember what we learned today. Rain comes from clouds in the sky. Seeds grow with water and sunshine. Some things float, some things sink. Magnets pull metal. Amazing! Earth spins to make day and night. Rainbows show us every color. That's a lot of science. All the friends are dancing now. Benny Bunny, Penny Panda, Coco Parrot, Sparky Robot, and Professor Owl, too. Dance with us! Shake, wiggle, spin! Thank you for exploring with me today. You are a real scientist now. If you had fun, ask a grown-up to subscribe. We have more adventures coming soon. Wave goodbye to your friends. Bye-bye, Benny. Bye-bye, Penny. Bye-bye, Coco. Bye-bye, Sparky. Bye-bye, Professor Owl. And bye-bye to you, little scientist. See you next time in Science Land.